Hi guys, welcome to our demos. So this is our product, an AI art generation service. So first, to interact with the apps, user can create an account and run it. Okay, so I'm the first user here, so there's nobody else yet, and I'm gonna start to generate some image. I'm just gonna try out with the default parameter here. Yeah. So this image I have generated, I'm gonna change the style a bit. Let's say a green hoodie maybe. Okay, so this time it takes much longer because you see, even though the public API is here, but the inference server is actually running on my local machines, and every time I start with a new models, because of the VRAM limitations, I have to reload the whole thing, and the model need to run the inference process. So this will take a while, but it's almost there. One final refiner step, loading the refiner models. One final step, run it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the image is ready. Wow, the quality is pretty good, right? So if I change to the cartoon, maybe with the same parameters. Oh yeah, just add a black hat. And again, we have to wait for the backend. But that shouldn't take long. Image generation is done, and again we can see that the style is pretty good. So one powerful feature is I can go to my profile and see that all the image I have generated. So using these parameters, I can recreate this image pretty easy. And another powerful feature is an user can view the profile and image generated by other users. So let's try that out. I'm gonna log into another users. Oh wait, yeah, I have to create that first. No worry, should be fine. User 1. Okay, so yeah, these are the image generated by these users. I'm gonna copy this maybe, even though it's a default parameter, but just to make sure. And right now I want to increase the batch generation style to see how creative the image can be. So I'm sure that using the same parameters, the first 2 images will be the same, but the next 4 will be a bit different. So again, this takes some time on the back end side. And yeah, let's skip this part. Sweet, the image is almost done. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's serving to the front end. And wow, using this same user prompt, the 2 image here, and I get some additional nice image. Yeah, and another powerful feature is, okay, so let's look at the image. It's really nice, and I'm gonna save it to a demo maybe. And I can use the image to image workflow over here. So I just need to upload the saved image I just did just now, and maybe I want this to look a little bit maybe a sad face and a nice guy. Okay, so in this image to image workflow, the image will be input to the models, and I will need to control this demod noise parameter, which indicate how creative the AI can be during the generation process. So for my input, I just want to get the sad face first, so I just set a low value, and let's say just a random seed. Okay, so it takes some time to generate. this doesn't change much, so I need to adjust this again. So as you can see, as I increase the creativity of the models, I have somewhat similar image to the base image with a nice guy and a sad face and slightly different face. So it's best if I just give it at around 0.5 maybe and retry again. Yeah, okay, this looks perfect. The face is very similar and it's a little bit sad with a nice guy, and this is the one I want to save. So that is all for our demo. You can see there's a few powerful features here whereby user can generate any image they want. They also can go to the profile page to see the image generated by other users, and by using this image they can also fit into the image to image workflow to further fine-tune the image using AI. And yeah, we believe that this platform will allow a relatively low barrier of entry for AI art generations with still a very high level of customizations, but it's very easy to use and user don't need to understand all the knowledge underneath. And that is for our demo. Thank you for listening.